Hair transformation. Here's the befores. And let's get right into this cut. Let's separate the fringe zone using our amplified 295 comb. Let's isolate that area with the Barracuda comb clip. Just slide that right in. Do that on both sides from the high point of the fringe to the corner of each eye. And let's grab a center section and let's create our guide. You can see I'm kind of peeling the guide right to about the nose area. And then from there, we're gonna work side to side, bring it to the center, watch the guide pop out right there. And then from that point on, you're cutting short to long. We're gonna do that on the entire fringe. We're just gonna literally pinch, move over direct to the center, and just start carving out. Now, we are gonna layer this entire fringe zone. Stationary guide, cutting short to long, and now we have this killer, loose curtain fringe happening here. And this sets the tone for the entire haircut. All right, let's get right to the sides. Diagonal back sections. We're using the guide from the fringe zone, and we are cutting again, short to long, more of a triangular type cutting line. This is giving her a ton of killer face framing. Let's get right to the top. We're using the guide again from the fringe zone, and we're cutting short to long. Everything's over directed to the center. Now we're going right to the back. Our guide comes right from that top zone, and we're bringing everything up and doing a little point cutting. And now look how beautiful this finishes using Kerasilk multi-purpose spray. And we're just detailing that fringe with our fingers. Look how beautiful she looks. We've removed a ton of weight. We created shape. And now she is ready to roar.